friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 best slogans for the Republic Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First one, Clean India, Developed India is the only motto of Republic India. Second one, let's celebrate the day of self-rule with spirit of unity. Third one, India is our home. Let's make it clean and green for our teens. Fourth one, freedom is not freedom until it gives equal rights to all. Fifth one, Clean India, Developed India will be really an incredible India. Sixth one, Independent India, Republic India. Let us make it Developed India. Seventh one, pay your responsibility loyally to retain the freedom in a country. Next one is, unity and integrity are at the core of Swaraj. Stay united. Ninth one, celebrate and respect the supreme law of nation, Constitution. Last one, let's salute our real heroes on Republic Day.